What's up guys, Soup here, and you might notice I'm on a new bike. This is a 2024 CRF250F. It's the trail bike, but you probably saw from the title, big changes are coming, man. I am selling, by the time you saw this, I've sold my DRZ. And you might be asking, well, Soup, you just got that thing, why did you sell it? Why would you sell that bike? Well, the DRZ was kind of an experiment. I'd never ridden a street bike before, and I live in a city. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this thing so I can ride more, because I miss riding. I hadn't ridden in a long time, probably like 2 years. But since I got the DRZ, I actually started coming out to my parents' place, which is where I'm at right now, and I started riding with my friend Braden more and more, and we were pretty much riding like every weekend. And I had so much fun doing that. So then I said to my girlfriend, I was like, you gotta come out here and try to ride. She's never ridden a motorcycle before, and you probably saw that video too, me teaching her how to ride a dirt bike. And so I took her out and I taught her how to ride, but all I had was that vintage bike and my motocross bikes. So as she progressed, I put her on the motocross bike, but it was still too big for her. And she ended up crashing. Whiskey throttle situation. She didn't get hurt, luckily, but I was so worried because that's all I wanted to, just like protect her from that. I didn't want her to get hurt. But seeing her enjoyment as she was riding, and some of my other friends too, I brought them out and had them come riding with me, but not all of them have bikes. So I was like, you know what, I actually haven't been riding the DRZ as much as I planned on. I've been coming up here every weekend, and I've been having so much fun with my friends, and I've been wanting to get them into riding, or at least have something available for them if they wanted to try it out. So that's what I did. I was like, you know what? Oh no! Oh, mamma mia! So I went to the dealership. I test rode that bike, actually, that 125 CRF. And then I rode this thing, and my girlfriend doesn't have any trouble with the height, so this bike is a little bigger, but it's smaller than the MX bikes. So I decided to go with this one for a couple reasons. One, it's a beginner trail bike, so the power is super forgiving. But it's bigger, it's big enough that I can comfortably ride on it. My girlfriend can comfortably ride on it. And my other friends, who some of them are experienced riders, some of them not, but we're all adults, so as far as size goes, this bike fits adults better than that 125 does. So I ended up getting this bike, and man, I am super happy that I got this thing. I mean, I've been riding it for a half hour, and I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going, man. Like, even me, I'm fairly experienced, and I'm having a blast. So I'm really excited to have my friends join me and stuff, and I think this was a good decision, honestly. I love the DRZ, but it turned out I just didn't ride it as much as I thought I was going to, and this is a better fit for me right now. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a little update. You're gonna be seeing more videos from this in the future, hopefully with my girlfriend as well. And if you guys have any questions about this thing, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to answer your questions if you're thinking about getting a bike like this, or if you're a beginner not knowing what bike to get. I mean, check out the video here I did my first impressions on this thing, and I explain why I think this is a really great bike to start with. So anyway, I really am having a lot of fun. So RIP the DRZ, and welcome to the family, CRF250F. We're gonna make a lot of good memories, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Drop a comment below, let me know what you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Soup out. Yeah, baby.